Hey guys, what's up? Today I wanted to talk to you guys about the workshop that I'm hosting in Los Angeles, California on March 3rd, 2018. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me to do this, so for this event I really wanted to plan something that would be both educational and fun for you guys. So a little bit about myself in case you want to know. I shoot primarily with agency models. I've worked with a bunch of agencies from all around the world. So I've worked with agencies such as Elite, The Lions, New York Management, VNY Models, Maryland, Ford, Vivian's. I've worked with a lot of different agencies, again, from all around the world. So I'm bringing that kind of experience from working in so many different countries with so many different models and different agencies. I've grown my own professional photography business. I'm a wedding photographer. I do engagements. I did portraits, senior pictures, all that stuff. I've also grown my own YouTube channel. So I feel like I can bring that to the workshop and really implement it into my teaching. So the first half of the day, we're going to be doing introductions. I'm going to be showing you guys how I shoot and take pictures, what kind of equipment I use. You know, you're literally going to see how I take the picture. I'm going to explain everything, and then you guys are going to break off into groups with two professional styled models. So if you're someone who hasn't worked with a model before or wants to work with a model, like an agency model, and you never had the opportunity, well, here's the opportunity. You will be able to direct the model, work with them one-on-one, and I will be there alongside you. I always check on like how people are shooting. I like to give you guys tips and help you guys as you're shooting. And not only are you going to be able to get pictures for your portfolio, you will be able to direct them one-on-one by yourself, and you'll be able to finally get that experience that you need. So that'd be a good opportunity for that if you're someone who just wants more of that experience. So after having breakfast and lunch, we're going to enter the second half of the day, which is retouching and editing, which is my absolute favorite. One of the things I like to do is take pictures that we took earlier in the day, and we're going to import them into Lightroom and Photoshop, and I'm going to show you guys, first of all, how I choose my pictures, and then how I retouch, color, edit, all that stuff. And I go around and I help each student one-on-one. I really like to, you know, sit with each person and be like, okay, or you should do this or you should do that. So again, it's not like you're gonna show up and I'm just gonna be like, okay guys, do this. We'll reconvene in 15 minutes, and then I go and I eat bonbons or something. What are bonbons? I'm gonna Google that after this. So if you're someone who wants to fine-tune their skills, you want to take your photography to the next level, I'm gonna have a link in the description and a link below to get more information on the workshop. There are limited spots. Again, I do want to keep the group number small so I can go around and you'll be best friends with each and every person. I'm gonna have all that information below. Please feel free to ask me whatever you'd like in the comments, or you can send me an email for more information. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm super excited to meet all of you guys and work alongside you guys and teach you guys in person. You know, I have all these YouTube videos as resources for you guys, but I feel like there's really nothing like working with someone one-on-one in person. It's just a different experience. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys later.